Hi. Today we go to Kemensah with my friends. And okay, these are my friends. This is Misa. She's tired. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Tak tahu. Okay lah, penat lah. Bebas.
Okay, we are like on top, literally on top of a rock, of rocks. That Aiman, also known as Ma, eating bread. He's an athlete that paints his shirt.
Okay guys, semua basuh 5 ha.
I made it. Surprising, I'm alive. It's almost 10. We're gonna go for a quick breakfast after hike. We made it. Nisa. Now we're going to have roti canai. Roti canai. Okay, cancel roti canai. Now we're at Setiawangsa.
Tak kita orang
This is Pasamo, my favorite. Do come here, guys. Mine. Rate your food. Rate your food. Out of 10. Hey, rate your food out of 10.
Oh. Rate.
Rate.
Berapa bintang? 7 lah, 3.
Okay, 7. Nisa?
7.
Okay, you?
Mana nak fikir apa?
You? Why?
Ha?
Why 6?
Honest answer.
Okay.
Tak sedap.